Patanjali's greatness lies in his understanding various stages of concentration levels, analyzing human mind, different states of mind, which leads to concentration, concentration to contemplation, contemplation to meditation, meditation to Turiyavastha. We can say that, What is that stages? What are that stages? What is this concentration? What is that power of concentration actually? Ancient time, at that time, atom to infinite, people said that, ancient rishis, sages, after their penance, they delivered everything. Very difficultly, they stored and they gave. The key also they gave. Are we moving that right or turning right or left? In fact, modern world, very easy to live. Not like olden days. Do you know that? Olden days, to make something, they have to soak it lentils and they have to do that, they have to make. Now, everything in instant. Doesn't matter. Because no time for it. No one has time. Are we passing on to generations what they did for us? Gone. Gone. Sukshma is not mine. Sukshma is ancient. But I said that atom to infinite, they gave everything. Sukshmati sukshmanga. Living, seeing, listening, touching. Everything is subtle. Everything is subtle. Until when? To see darshan atma, touching atma, sankalpa, resolution with atma. Not only Patanjali Mahashaya, how many? Veda Vyasa to Vasishtha Maharshi, Yajnavalkya to. There is no need, I have to tell all these things. You all know that, but ignorance. And long time back, 5,000 years back, that time back, this time back, when Om came, so what? Do we know what is the deeper meaning of Om? Everything, not only that I am saying too. And what Bhagavad Gita gave? All yogas, karma yoga to bhakti yoga to sannyasa yoga to atma yoga, everything. Jagradavastha, swapnavastha, nidravastha, turiyavastha. We don't need all avasthas, but we want to grow, we want to evolve. How we can evolve? You tell me. Patanjali says that this mind is so many stages are there. You should work. You should give training to evolve. Proper way of it, with regulations. Very little, small, simple regulations. There is no need hospitals. There is no need ashramas at the moment. Especially this COVID time. Just to think about that. Then what is that? My father always used to say that Raghavaya in that small town. Still I remember, still so fresh. Between my birth to 5 years. Maybe 10 years. Age of 10 years. That instilled in my Atma, in my heart. The way he used to We used to put raga also. The 5 stages of mind. Kshipta vikshipta mooda ekagrata nirodha. Did you see that? Shikta, vikshipta, mooda. Even to say that mooda, we feel like disgusting, but we are doing that. What is that? Mooda is inertia. Tamasa. Out of 3 gunas, tamasa. Every time depression. Every time comparison. Even though I am not deserved, I will compare with others and I will go to depression. If I get a job, I will think about a promotion. If I don't get job, I will think about that depression. That is mooda. Because untrained mind will pull that to inside the mooda. Kshipta. Rajasa. Continuously, I am this. With identities. Restless. Though millions are there, but still something, running. What is that? What guna will come? Rajasa, right? Now next status is vikshipta. Vikshipta is, some people they will think that, bipolar means, sometimes he will be very nice, sometimes he is like very moody, that this. Not bipolar. Sometimes Rajasa, sometimes Tamasa. Sometimes Kshipta, sometimes Mooda. We don't know. But any dhyana gurus, any meditators, good meditate teachers or gurus, they will understand which stage they are going through. In meditation also sometimes, all subconscious, how it will come front of us. So many people will tell that, 20 years back happened. Why in this meditation everything is coming? Who did that? I did that, right? I am meditating, but everything is coming out to what? To knock, to see your stability. Whether you are there, Rajasa or Tamasa. Then you will become little bit more concentration started. Little stable also started in Vikshipta stage. Okay? Rajasa and Tamasa. Right? Next one is Ekagrata. Sukshma always, after that, whoever will come here. Ekagrata, one-pointedness. We all know that Arjuna's one-pointedness. If he has to do that only fish eye. Uddalaka, Svetaketu, so many Upanishads too, now so many stories we can tell that. But what we are learning? Nothing we are learning. First we have to know what state I am now. I am Rajasa, I am Dhyana Yogi, I am Jnana Yogi. One pointedness means scattered mind is leaving you. Already in Vikshipta time, already Rajasa, Tamas, you are going here, there. But that's why 8 sessions are it. I will ask, 8 Janmas also not enough anyway. But you want 8 sessions, first 3-4 sessions. Why it is happening? Don't ask why. I am saying to you because of you only. Dears, you are aware. But you didn't give any training to your mind with any simple regulations also. Patanjali said, Yamani Yamas. So, Santosha Tapa. It's okay. Who has time in this modern world? Sorry. It will not work. Now you are starting nicely to Turyavastha. Krita started after 4 sessions. Students will ask, much better. We are smiling. Even people around us, they are seeing some changes. I am not saying for any publicity or anything. Because inner work is starting. Where? Power of concentration is becoming solid. Power of concentration. We got the key now. Key of that concentration. What is that concentration? Unconscious concentration is collapsing, eliminating. Negative concentration, eliminating. Wrong concentration, eliminating. Oh, so many concepts. Yeah, I remember that. Why I said that one. Patanjali Mahashaya. Various stages of concentration levels. Stages of mind. That's why I am bringing this. Now you understood that ekagrata, right? Stable mind. No wavering, like smooth surface of the lake. No ripples. That's why Brahma Muhurta is rippleless. Even lakes, rivers, you can see that. If you want ashrama people, they will see. That's why their ashramams in front of the rivers. Because they know that, nature also is helping. People will ask, Sunita, Amma, why we are getting up like 3 o'clock after these meditations? 4 o'clock. Hey, take advantage. Take advantage, please. Switch on something, some script, some chanting if you want. If you don't want chanting, but don't chatter with your chatterbox, your subconscious. Just let it clean first. Why you are using again? This is good, that is bad, this is good. Always dualities. But now scattered to dualities. One point we came in ekagrata, in this state of mind. Right? Last one is Nirodha. Turyavastha. Beyond this Rajasa, Tamasa, Sattvika. But what we need to get that concentration? Sattvika. You can see that any Sattvika people, you think that, they are very simple, sensitive. Yes, they are sensitive with you. 5 elements. That's why they can converse with Akash, the sky, to earth, to flower. My father used to say that the Muda is like donkey, donkey mind. I used to think that, you brought up in village, you bring the Dobi will put that everything, and if he will beat only, it will move. Otherwise, whatever the papers will come, eating. That is donkey. Kshipta is like monkey. Rajasa, we know everything. I can jump this tree to that tree. I can grab that fruit. I don't eat properly, but I'll put everything. Did you see that? How beautifully ancient time they said that. But now everyone will use monkey mind and this mind, that mind. No. Deeper thing is so much. And Vikshipta mind, they said that Vikshipta means Rajasa Tamasa. Even meditation, it will happen. That is like Sita Kokachil, butterfly. You know butterfly? When Rajasa is there, nicely flies with colors. If something happened, a butterfly, it will go down and she forget the colors of forget even flying also. Because Rajasa people, if at all anything will happen, finish. Overreaction. Is it good? Not good. We are not butterflies, we are not donkeys, we are not monkeys. Oh, we are good human beings. Even our Bhagwan, Bangar Tanri Satya Sai Baba, what he says? Animal being to human being to good human being to divine human being. We need what? Unity in body, purity in mind, divinity in soul. That's what. Unity in diversity. So many things, beautiful things. Okay, Yajnavalkya and so many ancient gurus, ancient rishis, they dropped, but we forgotten. What about now? Tyagaraja Swami, just 200 years, I think. Yeah. What he says about mind? Manasuloni mamunu telusuko. First you have to understand your mind, because without this, do you remember in villages, if at all you, even with not only villages, even cities also, pagal, we'll say that, madman, mad woman. But Sunita, little Sunita, used to think, why they became mad? Oh, because her husband is not good. Oh, because of the wife is not good. Or because of this, because of that. See? Anybody is watching that? Anybody is going through that deeper thinking? I am madman. We can do that. I think I told in some interviews, I don't know. I want to tell that again. Madman means what? Mad woman means what? I used to help them a lot. But one day, because of my compassion, whatever you can say, that my simplicity, my sensitivity, I was, my house as a school girl, my house in Sultan Bazar, near to Sri Krishna Deva Raya library, besides Royal Talkies, those days. So every day from my house to my upstairs, we used to live. Upstairs too, I used to go to library, Sri Krishna Deva library after school, because I used to read Chandamama and whatever books I wanted. So many, plenty. Because whereas my small town, there is no library at all. That's why I enjoyed that library. I was reading something and a beautiful story, and I was coming out. That is maybe 6:30, little winter, I think so. I was coming out, and because somebody came to, my sister's son came, and he okay, let us go. He's very naughty. Because one madman, Biryani Chor, his name. His name is Biryani Chor. We don't know why it came that. If anybody will provoke him like Biryani Chor, he will take the stick and he will run after them and he will beat like that, But everyone, from far, that. But unfortunate or fortunate, I don't know. I was near him and this boy is running and he was saying that biryani chart. Then all of a sudden, I was in my dream. We all know that. Since childhood, I was like that. The stick hit me on my head. Of course, so many people came and they want to beat, but I told but how hard I thought my head broke. Promise, remember, I still remember. But I was not, because if I cry, I know that my brother is a police officer. he will come and and then I didn't cry, but the pain. Next day, my mother saw that one, big bump. Long and thick hair, but still that bump was showing. Then I started to think that how the madness will come. Yes, sweetheart. If you don't train for small things, also will go down. Madness will come just like that. What neurologists are doing, psychiatrists are doing, they will give the medicines because they studied for that. But no, they need a different way of training. What is the difference with pure love? That also, the pure love can heal anything, everything. I know sometimes I will go out of traction, but I want to be there only. But sometimes it will happen. But that also good for listeners. I'm feeling that. I feel that always. So now you understood, right? Jagrata Avasthana too. Even in meditation also, how important that concentration. Where you are focusing, your concentration is where? In negative? Unconsciously that negative things will come out from, because it is there, it will come out from your tongue. It doesn't, think that way. Whatever from here, untrained, it is coming. Then you will be in problem. Conflicts. Arguments. No more discussions. You want that? I know you don't want. But what are you doing? Sweethearts, what are you doing? Only ladies need, only women need this concentration? Only men need? No, we all need. We all need this power of concentration. Once you work on that key, we will find the key. You never use that negative concentration. You never use unconscious concentration. You never use wrong concentration. Key. You always use positive concentration. What will happen? Positive concentration. Positive thinking, positive thoughts, positive life, positive actions, positive vibrations, positive energy. My energy always positive, Papa. But we opened that negative energy also. Anyway, there is no negative energy. Shakti, always Shakti. Always positive, remember that. Now we came to Prajnanam Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi. Because in Turyavastha, we don't remember that Rajasa, Tamasa, that. Bhuvilo Rajasa, Tamasa, Gunamulu Galavani, Chelimi Bhuvilo. Pyara Swami is saying, I am very satvika. But I am every day, as soon as I get up, with Rajasa. His own brother is Rajasa. People are tamasa, inertia. I have to. That's what he struggled. Manasuloni marmam telusko. That's why he said that, with conviction. You should know. Then you don't be after that, this attraction, this attraction, that attraction, this attractions. That's what he said. That's why is now we are remembering after 200, how we are remembering Mahatma Gandhi, how we are remembering Abdul Kalam, President. Why we are remembering them just like that? Because he is president. How many presidents we are remembering? We remember, but every time Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji is coming. Not only Bapuji Jayanti, October 2nd, every time, every moment. Those days, early 19th century people, my father, even prison also, they went. They lost so much wealth. Because those time royalty, they used to punish, Don't go. They tried, right? Royal people also, they tried, kings and queens and whoever, Zamindar, Jagidas. But what happened? It doesn't matter. That life, my father used to say, everyone, how can you do that, you lost. No. Doesn't mind. Doesn't care. It has to happen in this birth. It happened. For us, we don't need anything. We don't have to sacrifice for independence. That, this, that. Just to get rid of these false egos. We are holding that. Yeah, if you work on this status of mind, false egos run away without any effort, just meditation. Just meditation. Dhyanam, Atmena, Pashyanti. How Bhagavad Gita says that. Then what we need for this? See, Tyagaraja Swami is asking, did you show that Manasu Swadhina? After this 5 stages of mind, now he said that, he sang Manasu Swadhina. Ammaya. Now I understood that. Manasulone marmas, I understood. Secrets. And I went to Rajasa, Tamasa people also. I understood I am Satvika, but Satvika also I shouldn't be attached. That also I understood now, because people will take advantage. Manasu Swadhina. Now I understood how to train my mind, how to bring in under my Atma, my soul. So many beautiful songs are there. In Danyasi Ragam, I think so. Chittamu, ni chittamu, nirmalamu, nikshalamu. I don't know that song actually, but I will learn. One day we'll talk about that also. Yes, consciousness is Nikshalam, Nirmalam, Prashantam. Why I would say always? Why ancient wisdom is saying always? Nikshalamu, Nikshalamu means stillness. Stilling the mind, only we need meditation, dhyanam. Next to what? Harmony. Nirmalanga, Nikshalanga, like a lake, I told you early morning, Brahma Murtam lake. River, even river. If you want to observe, just go and sit front of the. Don't put any stones. You want ripples, I know that. Just don't put. You see that, you watch that, you observe that, you will understand. You will realize faster. But we read so many books. Vivekananda Swami read means, because he wants to know, because he was like, what is that? Guru said something, Guru has gone, and now what I can do, He went to America and nothing is comfortable for him, nothing is helping. But did he stop? No. Sukshma Grahis, they are all. Always I will sign that, Sukshmas of universe. Sukshmas in universe. Sukshma is not only whoever came to me or, no, we are all Sukshmas, but forgotten with this hectic modern world. Now COVID. My father used to say that, first of all, something that hurt, somebody put that chili powder. You can see that, Please, don't stuck anywhere. Enjoy that. Enjoying with joy, that is our we. So what will happen? This concentration, the power of concentration lead to where? Awareness. Actually, we are aware. You being with yourself. So what we have to do? Morning to night, some regulation, some rules, some discipline. Yuktahara viharasya. I know everything. Slokam. I know you know slokam, but so many people that also, at least you know the slokam. Go deeper to that sloka. You see that? What that sloka, deeper depth will give to you. Yuktahara viharasya. Balance. He's asking. We gave so many talks on mitam, rutum and hitam, I think, moderation. Same thing. Bhagavad Gita say, what the ancient wisdom didn't, what they didn't say, you let me know. Everything they said, but we are not. Wrong books we are taking. That's why so many, even now, good-hearted teachers, they are showing this book you read. This book you read. But always I would say that, this Upanishad you go through. Because I don't read much. But these Upanishads, Vedas, ancient wisdom, very little I know. I don't know anything. That's what sometimes I used to regret. Because Sanskrit, my second house is in Hyderabad as a child, growing up. Saraswatika Parishat, Sanskrit, they will teach Sanskrit, all the scholars will come every weekends, the highest people, famous people, poets, they will come and they will. I did that, but because of music and my education, academic education, I couldn't do the Sanskrit. So many scholars are there Sanskrit, but no one. Everyone is there, but don't think that, I am the only Sukshma. So many are there. But as a child, I used to think, why I am only like this? Why I worry? As a child, I used to say, Amma, I used to tell my mother, Amma, if anything will happen, because 12 years difference my father and mother, I used to think that, my father is an old man like that. 3 years girl, 3 years girl, she used to tell to mother, Amma, if father will become like still, if at all he will leave his body, don't take him away, okay? We'll keep. Doesn't matter if he doesn't talk also. Why all that things? Then father told my mother, let her think that way. She came with awareness, let her think, but she will become something. Did you see? He knows that, because it's so much Vijnanam, not age. I saw that, my Pedananas and everyone, a little different than Nana. I'm not saying because he is my father, that's why no. I am the proof. Please evolve with the right regulations. What is that right regulations? Eat properly. Take bath. Be there with yourself when you are taking bath. When you are taking breakfast, watching movies, eating whatever, don't do that. Enjoy meal with your family. I am IT. I am IAS officer. I am IG. So what? So what? Why identity you are dwelling in this only identity? All of a sudden, see, Vikshipta time, awareness will come, sometimes awareness, sometimes no awareness, then depression will come. We will die again, same with that, we will come back, same thing, worst thing, whatever. See, why I would say that always, good beggar and the self-centered beggar. The beggar, good beggar is enjoying his life. Then next birth, I know that, my father used to say. I still remember all the beautiful things, in small town. Upstairs, when summertime, under the sky, we used to, in big balconies, we used to, like a kota, everyone used to call like a kota goda. So, rhythm thing, dappu we say, that, oh, Kurana. That is like my Jolapata. People used to think, hey, this is a bore, But for me, that is like, oh my God, lalijo, like that. Nothing disturbed me in every situation. If rain will come, we have to run to the bedrooms, the upstairs bedrooms, because balcony is from. I never. Some small shelter, I used to enjoy the rain. Of course, that's why Amma used to say, that's why she got pneumonia. Yes, I used to wet like anything. My long hair, because of that also maybe. That's why don't worry. If at all your child is little bit unique, understand which place she is. Muda, lethargy, inertia, always like sleepy, kshipta, hyper, no proper attention. Why it is happening? Think that also. Parents, please think that also. First 5 years under you only. Are you doing yoga in front of them? No, you don't do. Because no time for you. Do now. 5 to 10 minutes yoga you do in front of them. They can do all the... Because for me, my brothers, my father's 10 kilos walk every day. Farms and my house. Every day. 4 o'clock, the scriptures reading with beautiful raga. And immediately he goes to farms. And after coming back, he takes like, some milk. Fresh milk. That is all became like, once role model is there, how can you go wrong? Maybe, last birth, maybe, I carried something. Okay, Baba, even that also will go. I don't know what I'm saying also, but I felt that, I should share all these things, power of concentration, how it leads to meditation. We are doing meditation, but nothing is happening. Some people will say that. We went to this meditation, that meditation camp, this meditation. How many days we went? 1 hour, 2 hours? 1 hour, 2 hours? Burst, accumulation has to finish. No. If any meditation teachers, if they don't clean you, they don't purify you, they don't become role model to you, stop it cold. I am not saying because of competition, because of this, because of that. So many good gurus are there, good teachers are there. Go there. Who is sensitive to understand your problem, exact problem. Because 5 fingers are not same. Sometimes Muda, sometimes Rajasa, sometimes Kshipta, sometimes Vikshipta, sometimes this one, sometimes Ekagrata, sometimes this. But once you come to Vikshipta, remember that Rajasa, Tamasa, catch that awareness will come that time. When Rajasa time, what is that? Why I was like so happy? Oh, why I am so low? If that good cause, okay, observe. Go deeper until depth, you will see the depth. Promise, believe in me. I am not saying, blind faith is not good actually. If anybody will ask questions, I like that. It doesn't matter. Because they are clearing. They don't want to live in that the doubts. I like that. Oh, how dare you are asking questions. No, you should ask questions, but ask questions. Sirdi Baba says that, the question should be Pariprashna. In this COVID time, I started in March or April, I think so. March, April, I started. Now in 41st or 42nd week, I am doing. All sukshmas they are trying to read. They said that, since childhood we wanted to read, even 30 years people, 40, 50 years, but we somehow, we read 1 week and then it's okay, what is there? Now we requested and they are all reading, it seems. That's what I believe in that. What else? Any questions or anything, please send to Peace Tree is there. You can send any questions after listening anything. If any the quench, the thirst, inquiry will start about you. Ask. Not only me, anybody. I don't know how to talk like, spontaneous because I am in silence. Silence gave treasure to me since childhood. I enjoy that silence. Because of my empathy, my simplicity, my sensitivity. Of course, so many happen, But no one dare to attack me with their self-centered and, betrayal. Let me know, dears. Anybody can take our Atma? No, nobody, right? Because that is awareness. We born with that awareness. Promise, we born with that awareness. Who taught the child to drink mommy's milk? To cry? To wet the nappy? Cry? No one, right? Then why we have to teach all these things? Now you are the difference between the concentration and awareness. Concentration we have to work on that by giving who? See, madman, why I told that woman and madman, I still remember all the Pichi Venkatamma, Because of her husband's problems, she became very high, good family she born. But after that, she was on the roads. So many people. That's what I'm saying, that biryani chore. We don't know why he became biryani chore. Even prostitution. On the roads, they are fighting with the rickshaw people. That I saw everything, because I used to live in center of Sultan Bazaar, upstairs. Those estates, everything is Hakim Mamayas. Until my house, my brother's house in Bagulkunta, Ramkot, the construction was going on. I had to stay a couple of years, I think, so I didn't remember. All my experiences became knowledge, pain or pleasure or good or bad. Don't escape anything. Just accept. Accept as it is, but work on yourself. Sukshma's philosophy is being you, being with yourself, living now. At this moment and this birth, God gave this to me, these situations, whatever people, work with them. No matter they are suitable for you. No. We try, but until last minute we try. If at all other person they don't listen, we take a decision that time. Because we can't, right? We can't waste. But don't make your children victims, sweethearts, please. They are such a beautiful people. We can give so much. You see that Bhagwan, Bangar, that Satya Sai Baba, schools, universities, not only in India, I'm saying that everywhere. Maybe 130, 140, 150 whole continents, every continent. Africa, I told you, 14 years I saw that. Still Auntie Kanu, she's working there. She's taking care of so many things. So finally Tyra Swami says that, Moksha Mungalada Bhuvilo Jeevan Moksha Mungalada Bhuvilo. Yes, we can easily reach that Kaivalya Padam. Please, if at all you know music, dig on that Tyagaraja Swami about mind, what he said. If you are a yogic person, what Patanjali Mahashaya says, that if you Sukshmati Sukshma yogi, go to Yajnavalka, Janaka Maharaja, Ashtavakras. Think that, what? Where I am. At this moment, where I am. Not in Vancouver or India or America. Here, sir. We know our life became like, what is that? Internet life. Information. But that Guru said something, this Guru said something, this Amma said something, this Amma said something. Why? What you are giving to yourself, sweethearts? Take help. But Acharana, act on that. Positive thoughts, positive actions, positive life, positive energy, with positive vibrations. Wherever you go, just spill that seeds, positive vibration seeds. You see that? The power of healing. There is pure energy in every human being, covered with what? These negative 6 vices. Kama, Krodha, Moha, Lobha, Mada, Maksharya. Under that, so many small things. You want to drop that to your generation to generations? No. I know you don't want to, but we are doing that. We are doing. Dears, if I said if I made any mistakes, please forgive me. Let me know. Let me know what we can do all together. We are ready. Thank you. Namaste.